Welcome to EC Add-ins. In this video we'll cover Smart Repeater Listing Widget. Make sure it enable from EC Widgets. Let's jump into Elementor Editor and search Smart Custom Listing. We have 3 predefined layout for listing. Using this gap options, you can manage row and column gap. Also, you can manage listing height and content alignments. In Loop Content tab, we have Repeater, where we have image, title, description, extra text, and link options. Let's check styling options, where we have title, description, meta, image, and box. Using this styling, you can create custom listing with matching your brand. In Image Style tab, you can manage image size of small box items. Let's check sample layout of Smart Repeater Listing.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.